it's Neil and welcome to my family room. And today I have the, MURPISO, I guess, MURPISO, and it's the 3-in-1, and it's a charging thing. So it should charge my AirPods, it should charge my watch and my telephone, which I'm doing there all at the same time on like the wireless charging stuff. So let's give this thing a try and see what it looks like. So we'll open it up here. See how much tape they put on it there. There we go. Kind of show you guys. Oh, sweet. Okay, so it comes with, let's see, it comes in a sweet little case, and then in the box here also is instructions for use. Okay, so there's instructions if you don't know how to use a charger, but whatever. If you guys need the instructions, pause it and zoom in, whatever. I don't know what's on that side. Customer service. If you need customer service, you can contact them there. Okay, so let's open this thing up and check it out. So here we go. We are opening it up, and it comes with a charging block, which is nice. Sometimes things don't come with it. It comes with its USB, and then it comes with the apparatus, I guess, and it comes with a wire. So let's check this thing out here. So the wire is USB to USB-C, so it's going to be a USB-C thing, and then it magnets together. And here we go. The dogs are watching me do this. So, oh, sweet. Okay, so it's got little pictures. So you can put your phone there, your watch there, and your AirPods there. So let's see, how does this work? So we want to plug this in to there. Let's see, how long is the wire? Not long enough for you guys to see it, so let's move on over here. Here we go. So we'll do it here at the, here. It looks like this has a little plastic on it. So let me take this off, if I can. Man, getting plastic off of stuff is always difficult, but here we go. Okay, so now I have this one here. I'll unplug my air things. Do this. There we go. So now it is plugged in, and oh, look at that. It's got little lights on it and stuff. You see the little lights? And the little phone one here. Oh, you can put your phone up like that. Well, let's try this stuff out. So let's see. So the AirPods go over here. Oh, and I see it's lighting up. I don't know if you guys can see it's lighting up, so I guess that means it's charging. So there's that, that's charging. And let's try my watch here. Man, if I can get it off of my wrist. Put this new band on it. I don't think I like it, but whatever. Oh, how am I gonna charge it with the band? Oh, I know, I'll put it up. And then let's put it on there and see what happens. And there we go, it's charging. And then I guess I would just put my phone on there and it would charge too. So this is sweet. So this folds up nice and small and everything like that. So for travel or whatever, I could totally take it with me, and it would charge all three things at once, which is nice because then I just have the one wire to worry about and the one set of stuff. So I'm gonna say this thing's a thumbs up for me. It seems super cool, super easy to use, and it's a MURPISO. But let's check it out here. Let me, I'm gonna take my stuff off it. My stuff is fairly charged, but whatever. Put back on my watch. My horrible band. I don't even think I can get it to work. Okay, there we go. And let's see, so this here, so you can look at it, we'll look at it a little closer here. So this folds up and down, it's on a little pivot. So you can have your watch up while you're sleeping, and then this folds there, that folds there, and it magnetizes in. Not sure what these little tabs here are gonna be for. Oh, I guess maybe just so you can pull it out. I don't know. But it seems pretty cool to me, and it folds up nice and small. So you just take this little thing here, actually it comes in its own little case. You just take the little case with you when you go somewhere, and you're ready to go. And all the chargers all in one, right in one little thing here. Super convenient, super easy. I'm just gonna throw this right in my luggage now, and it'll be ready for me the next time I go somewhere, which I'm actually going in like 2 weeks to go to New York, so it'll be ready to charge. So I like it, thumbs up from me. I'm gonna put a link to this in the description so you guys can pick one up yourselves. Be sure to like my video and subscribe to my channel, and I will be back with some other stuff soon. Bye.